My peeps, what's going down? Ask yourself this question. Do you work hard? Then ask yourself another question. Can you work harder? The answer is yes to the second question. The first question, I hope to fucking Christ it's yes. But the bottom line is this. Even if you think you work hard, you can fucking work harder. There's always someone out there that will fucking outwork you. That is the key. The person who learns to work the fucking hardest is going to be the one on top. Think about that. If you truly bust your fucking ass and do it relentlessly with some fucking consistency, you will rise to the top. Think about that. It's a very, very simple fucking formula. It doesn't make a difference what you're doing. If you're fucking flipping hamburgers in a goddamn McDonald's, if you become the best fucking burger flipper in that fucking McDonald's, you're gonna get fucking moved to a new position. And if you become the best at that new position, you're gonna get moved yet again. And as long as you can continue to outwork the people around you, you are going to get what you want. It's that fucking simple. Somewhere along the lines, our society has convinced us that working hard, something fucking wrong with it. Our society has convinced us that working hard is a fucking punishment. Somewhere along the lines, our society has completely fucking blurred the lines of what this fucking existence is all about. The fucking journey. Working hard creates opportunity. Working hard creates more pathways. Working hard gives you a greater feeling of fucking fulfillment on a daily goddamn basis. Every day, my goal is to go to bed feeling like I fucking took it to the next fucking level, even if it's only a little bit. I want to go to fucking bed feeling like I fucking earned what I have. I want to go to bed feeling like I earned the ability to fucking lay down and relax and go to fucking sleep because I gave it everything I had for the fucking day. And if you can break this shit down on a daily fucking basis and do what I'm telling you, your fucking life will be forever changed. And it's one simple fucking concept. Hard fucking work. Hard work will literally apply itself to anything and everything you fucking choose to do. Think about that, my peeps.